My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Lexus NX. This car is hybrid electric and it has done just under 31,000 miles. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control, steering assist, and cruise control. Using the touchpad, if we press menu, we can access features such as climate control and smart device link. We also have a map button, which gives us quick access to navigation. We have heated seats on either side. And by using this button here, we can choose from a variation of driving modes. So left for eco, right for sport, and push for normal. This car also comes with a reverse camera. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with leather seats and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.